Hey everybody, what's up? So, I figure while my grandparents are away, and I'm having to watch the dog at the same time, I figure I actually sort of demonstrate this so-called train whistle that I actually got from the Polar Express ride that I went with my family. And if you hadn't seen the video of that, I'll leave a link to it down below. And you're probably wondering why I got headphones on. Well, the reason for that is because this thing, if you got powerful lungs, it's very loud, and my ears are kind of sensitive to that. So, also what I did a few days ago is test this out, and I did some experimenting, and that's why I will at least show pictures of the marked holes on this. Apparently by that I mean I've actually marked every section of the holes with numbers ranging from 4 to 1. So I will also show what happens if you don't actually put your fingers on the holes. So with that being said, we're going to start. So here's what it sounds like at full blast without covering the holes. Now apparently, most people think that's actually just all it does, but if you cover up the holes, it makes different sounds. So we're going to cover up one, and we're going to see how that sounds. Now, we're going to cover up 2 and see what that sounds like. Now, we're going to 3. Now, we're going to cover up 4. So, while I'm actually, waiting for them to come back, and by them I mean my grandparents, and having to take care of my sweet little baby boy. Yeah, he's such a good boy. Yes, you are. I kind of figured, doing it at full blast, it would be kind of hard to tell what they sound like, so this is what it sounds like up close without, doing basically blowing your lungs out on it. So, we're going to start with not covering the holes. Sorry about that, I have to get me another camera cord. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah. Now, we're going to at least cover up 1. Now, we're going to cover up 2. Now, we're going to cover up 3. Now, we're going to cover up. And as you can tell, I've actually marked each of the holes, ranging from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stuff like this is always good for people like me who actually use these for special effects. Or, sound effects, I meant to say. And I do a lot of sound effect editing in my YouTube channels. Anyway, this has been another video with Cannon Home Videos. And I hope you all had a good holiday, and I hope you all have a good, happy new year. Thanks for watching.